and you face this problem on your Free Fire Max app, so all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In there you're looking for Free Fire Max app, or just click on search. Then here add Free Fire Max app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store here, click on Play Store, then you search here for Free Fire Max app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here updates, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.